Are you looking for a job you can be doing at night and be able to make money online? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you work you can actually be doing from the comfort of your home with just your mobile phone and be able to make money online mostly at night. This work actually require you to actually be watching CCTV as a CCTV surveillance, or working as a chat moderator online for international companies. And I'm going to be sharing with you how the website will actually be able to apply for those jobs and how you actually be able to get started from the comfort of your home with just your mobile phone. To actually get started, the first website which I will recommend for you where you can actually work as a CCTV remote CCTV surveillance is this website known as Securitas. This particular website is actually a popular website, international website, whereby you can actually be working remotely as a CCTV surveillance, where you'll be watching CCTV for this particular company. To actually get started, all you don't need to do is to visit their website. Once you visit their website, click on this particular section right now. Once you click on this section, scroll right now and click on this industries. Once you click on this industries, this is actually to actually know the type of industries which they actually work with. Okay, scroll down right now to this section right now. Once you scroll down, you'll be able to see the type of places where you'll be watching. For instance, once you actually apply for this job and you got approved, this is the places you'll be watching over. For instance, if you are watching let me just say a company surroundings, you will actually be giving information to that company if there is any suspicious movement in that particular environment which you are actually watching. Okay, that is the major aim of that. You don't need to be present in that location before you be able to do this particular job. Okay, you can work in an aviation section. You can work in a construction part. You can see just watching a construction center, so that let me just say thieves will not be able to, or people or strangers will not be able to come to that construction company to actually take any of their tools from their company. Okay, and if you come right here, you'll be able to see other area infrastructure, critical infrastructure. You can work in that data center. You can see it right there, watching over data center. Global clients, you can see it right there. Industry and manufacturing. Okay, maritimes. Okay, offices, you can watch over offices, retails, and many other sections right there. You can see it right there. And if you actually have any question about any of these parts, or you are not clear with any of all these things and you want more information, all you don't do is to actually scroll down right there and actually message them through this particular section. Ask them the question and they're going to reply you very fast. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is to click on this section. Once you discover the part which you actually need, the first thing you need to do is to click on this read more. Let's say you want to be watching over, let's take for instance, you want to be watching over aviation section right there. Click on read more for you to be able to read more on how this particular section actually works and things you'll be watching over as a remote security personnel on this website. Okay, after reading all you need to know, the next thing you need to do, if you have any question, ask them the question. But if you do not have any question, you can go on right now and click on this section again. Once you click on this section right now, click on this security services. Once you click on this security services, read more about the security services and things that is actually expected of you. Since you are working remotely from the comfort of your home, you must not be in UK, Canada, or any Taiwan country before you be able to work on this website. If you are from Nigeria, Ghana, Pakistan, you can also work on this website. To actually apply for this job, all you just need to do is to actually scroll down right now to this particular section. Once you click on this section, click on this job opening. Once you click on this job opening, you'll be able to actually apply for this particular job, and you can actually find this particular website once you search for Securitas on Google. You'll be able to find this particular website and you'll be able to apply for this particular job without any single stress. And the second website which I will actually recommend for you as someone that want to be working remotely mostly at night is this particular website known as CloudWorkers. This particular website is actually popular for chat moderators. Okay, for those if you actually enjoy chatting, or you actually enjoy social media activities, or you actually enjoy conversing with people, or you can actually turn someone's lonely time into a fun moment, this particular website is actually for you. And you can actually earn between $50 to $100 depending on your activeness on this particular website. And to actually apply for this particular work is very easy. But before you actually apply, all you just need to do is to click on this section right now. Once you click on this section, click on the job description so that you'll be able to know what is actually expected of you when applying for this particular job. Okay, all you need to do is to come to this section right now. Okay, our chat moderators are engaged in text-based online chats in one or more online social media platform. They are going to be actually providing you a social media platform where you'll be actually be chatting with the clients, with the person which they actually match with you. It may be a lonely widow, or a lonely lady, or a lonely man that is actually looking for someone to actually talk to. You just need to actually turn the lonely moment into a fun moment. Or it may be a business person that is actually looking for a business advice, or it may be just anybody at all that is actually looking for a way to actually see someone to actually talk to, or see someone to actually advise them. You can depending on the type of of chatting which you actually want to engage in, we actually determine your pay. Most people actually earn minimum of at least $10 or $50 depending on your activeness and the way you actually make the person feel, because at the end of the chat, the person is going to rate you, and based on your rating you actually be able to earn more. Okay, that is actually how it works. After reading the description and how this particular platform actually works, the next thing you need to do is scroll up right now and come to this section right now and click on this apply now. Once you click on this apply now, it will take you to this particular section. The next thing you need to do is to come to this section right now. Okay, you just need to actually enter your first name right here. Once you enter your first name, scroll down right now and enter your last name right here. After entering your last name, scroll down right now and enter your email address right here. Once you enter your email address, the next thing you need to do is to actually enter your date of birth by entering the day, month and year. After that, enter your phone number right here. After entering your phone number, enter your contact information right here. Okay, which chat language are you applying for? You just need to actually choose a language which you actually prefer using to convert. Click on this option right now if you prefer Chinese, German, Greek, any language at all. You can see Italy, Japanese, anyone, or you can choose English if you actually prefer using English to actually convert. And if you are good in French, you can actually go on and choose French. Okay, the next thing you need to do is choose time zone. Okay, time available via phone number. Okay, you just need to put it right there. Do you have experience in chat moderation? You just need to actually choose either yes or no. If you have the experience, choose yes. As for me, I'm going to choose yes because I've been working as a chat moderator for a long period of time on different websites. Okay, the next thing, and you need to actually understand that all your chats will actually be moderated also. As you are chatting with the person, there is someone watching over you, also watching the conversation which you are actually having with the person on this website. Okay, which means you actually need to be careful of what you're actually telling the person or what you actually doing with the person. Okay, the next thing you need to do is, okay, how did you hear about us? Click on this section right now and choose how you actually hear about them. If it is through Google, any means, let me choose through Google. The next thing I need to do is, please tell us something about yourself and why we should hire you. Right here, you are going to tell them more about yourself and the reason why they need to hire you. Okay, give them a genuine reason, a tangible reason that will make them to hire you. Make sure that you actually put something that is very appealing, that will actually make them not to reject your application. The next thing you need to do is to actually click on this this particular space. After reading their terms and condition and actually understand their terms and condition, click on this I'm not a robot to actually verify that you are not a robot. After your verification, scroll down right now and click on this submit application. Once you submit your application on this website, they are going to review your application, and if your application is approved, you will actually start working on this website as a chat moderator, and you can actually get paid on this website through PayPal. You can get paid through PayPal, you can get paid through bank transfer, and you can also get paid also through cryptocurrency known as Bitcoin. Okay, you will be the one to actually choose your payment method. If you are from Nigeria, Ghana or Pakistan, I will actually recommend you to make use of bank transfer to your local bank account, because so that you will not have any restriction. But if you actually have PayPal, I will actually also advise you to make use of PayPal, or you can use cryptocurrency to receive your payment from this particular website. Okay, the next website which I will recommend there for anyone that is actually looking for a way to actually work at night and be able to make money from the comfort of your home, even while still working at your at your 9 to 5 job. Okay, is this website known as Paladin Security. This is a Canada-based website. Okay, this is a Canada-based company that is actually hiring remote CCTV surveillance, that is will be watching over CCTV cameras. Okay, your own is to be watching different CCTV cameras with just your mobile phone on your account on this website, and if there is any suspicious activities on any of those areas which you are actually watching over, you just need to actually report to the companies. Okay, there are numbers which you actually need to be contacting when you actually notice any suspicious activities, and there are numbers which we need to actually be sending screenshots if you actually notice any suspicious activities on this website. And before I continue, you need to understand that I'm not advising you to make any financial decisions based on this video. I'm only sharing my personal opinion and how all this website actually works. Okay, if you come right here to this website, you will be able to see security services that make the world a safer and friendly place. Okay, come to this section right now. Okay, if you come to this section to actually apply, all you don't do is click on this apply now. But before you actually go on to apply, the first thing I want you to do right now is to actually come up right here, click on this section right now. Once you click on this section right now, it will take you to this particular page. The first thing you need to do is to click on this industries. Once you click on these industries, to actually check the industries and the part of the sections which you actually which you can actually choose to work with, to watch over. Okay, for instance, if you want to be watching at a construction site, you will know that it is only construction sites that you'll be watching over. If you actually choose airport, which means you will be in aviation section. The first industry is healthcare section. If you actually want to watch over healthcare sections such as hospital and more, and the next one is offices and commercial places, like different offices, you can be watching over different offices. And the next one is aviation and many other, industrial security and many others. You will actually choose one area, one category. Once you choose the category, you will actually apply for the work and start getting paid as you are watching over those areas. And if there is any suspicious activity or suspicious movement, you can actually send there is specific number that they will provide for you, or specific security personnel that they are going to provide for you, that you'll be sending either screenshots or you'll be sending messages so that they will be able to be taking action based on those areas. Your own is just to be sending them information from the comfort of your home at night. This is just a comfortable work that anyone can easily do at night. If you want more updates on more jobs like this, kindly tell me in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel, which I will be dropping the link in the description of this video for those that wish to join our Telegram channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video.